Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. This morning, I want to teach my cute kitty. Her name is, her full name is Masana Al. Yeah, Masana Al Hajar Manohoe. And your call name is Mahsana. Her call name or her nickname is Masana. And this morning we want to sing. Come here. Yes. This morning, please look at the camera. Uh, now we want to sing about alphabetic. Uh, let's sing together. Come on. Yeah, sit here. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, let's sing together. Come here. Come on. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. I can sing from A to Z. Okay, thank you.